Alright, so here in the United States, there's going to be a total solar eclipse on April 8th, just about 2 weeks away. And here are just a few tips about it. First of all, if you're not in the right path, you're not going to be able to see the full totality. Like me, I am outside of that path, so I won't be able to see full totality, but I'll be able to see a partial of this eclipse. Alright, the second thing is that totality is going to last about 4 minutes, which is pretty cool because it's going to give you the time to set up for the shot you want. Now the last thing is that the next total solar eclipse that's going to be visible here in the United States isn't going to happen until 2044. So that's 20 years away. So if you have the opportunity, make sure you get on top of this one and check out this eclipse. Oh, and one last thing, our good friend Kenny LeRose, KRL Photo, you might be actually already following him. He put together a great PDF covering the eclipse, just talking about how to capture it, how to prepare for it, the gear you need, the whole nine. So make sure you check out that PDF. It's linked in the description below. Really great information in there. And make sure you mark your calendars for April 8th.